Hey guys, how you doing out there in social media land? My name's Andy D'Entremont, and I'm a knife maker from Saskatchewan, Canada, Regina to be exact. Anyways, I want to show you my magic kiln, and what I mean is it's not your regular knife kiln where it heats up to a high temperature to harden your steel, and then you quench it in oil or plate quench it between two aluminum plates. This one uses a flux capacitor, actually a newer version flux capacitor, and I've been using titanium heating coil covered in polonium with a reduced micro amperage and like 300,000 volts, along with changing the software on the PID controller. I can turn this nitro V steel, stainless steel, into a finished knife in minutes, like 5, 6, 7 minutes, compared to going to the trouble of shaping the steel and what have you. Anyways, I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to place this steel in the oven. It doesn't have to be covered with stainless steel tool steel wrap or anything. We'll just lock it in here nicely. Turn the equipment on. I'm going to set the year. Let's go down to 2020, and then set the minutes to 5. So we'll go over and set 5. Here we go. Set. Accept. There we go. Okay, in about 5 minutes, be able to open this up and hopefully see a finished product. So it's been about 5 minutes. We'll see what it's like. I can tell it's cool compared to regular kiln. It creates a lot of energy, but seeing its low amperage and with the polonium coated coils, it's cool to the touch. So I'm going to open this up. Oh, it's not done. Just about done. I wanted I kind of wanted a darker handle. A little dusty on there, but let's go for a darker handle. So we'll put it in. I think I've got to adjust the micro voltage or micro amperage. Sorry. We'll hit it again for a little longer. There it goes. Okay, so it's been another minute and a half. See what happens here. Oh, that's nice. I like that. I like that. That came out clean. Oh man. Nitro V, and it etched it right onto the blade. I don't know if this is gonna focus. We'll try to focus this here. Darn camera focus. Here's the other knife, exactly like the other one, except the handle has got my Carta instead of G10. My new logo, and it is made out of 1084. So here's the first stainless steel knife made of Nitro V with G10 scales. Nitro V steel etched into it. As you can tell, this video was a bunch of bullshit or crap, but I did build the kiln, and it works like any other knife kiln, and I had a lot of help from Dan Como from Alberta, another knife maker, I screwed up and ordered the wrong wire and ended up getting a thicker gauge. I went with 14 gauge. And originally I was going to go 16 gauge and have to make the heating elements or coils out of, in series or parallel, and they would have to have been about 60 feet length each of them, or 50 feet I think. These ones ended up being 14 gauge, so thicker wire, and I wired them in series and was able to get the ohms down so that the amperage was correct. And it's 110 volts or 120 volts, and it works real well. I've got 2.5 inch thick K26 fire bricks with an inch of KO wool around it for more insulation. So this gets right up to temperature. Takes a while, takes about an hour and 20 minutes or so, but it gets right up to temperatures like Nitro V is about 1950 Fahrenheit, and leave it in there for 20 minutes, and then I plank quenched and made the knife from there. I will be doing some testing on these two types of knives, one being 1084 and the other Nitro V. Look forward to making that video. Thanks for watching, and be careful out there.